All right, so if you receive a prompt on your screen asking if you want this presentation to be recorded, just click on yes. So, welcome to this presentation. So, on this presentation, I'm going to be showing you how to turn $250 into $2,000 in less than 3 months using a powerful trading AI. I want you to listen to that again. $250 into $2,000 in less than 3 months using a trading AI. So, before we get into the nitty-gritty and the important part of this presentation, I want to put your mind in a certain perspective. I want you to understand what you should be expecting on this presentation. So, I'm going to start with what this presentation isn't about. So, on this presentation, I will not be pulling up any chart or any material to show you how to trade. So I'm not going to be showing you anything technical. Don't think this is going to be the type of presentation where you're going to be seeing me showing you how to draw lines on chart or no. You're not going to see anything like that. I will not be showing you any trading technique at all. So that is not the goal of this presentation. The goal of this presentation is to show you how to become a profitable trader with little to zero prior trading experience. So if you are the type of person that you've never traded Forex before, to the type of person that you've been trading before, this presentation is for you. I'm going to show you how to be profitable and how to automate your trades as well. So what this presentation is going to show you, on this presentation, I'm going to show you how to trade the Forex market without doing any technical or fundamental analysis yourself ever. So that means you do not need to be a professional. You don't need to be like those people opening like 20 laptops on their table, trying to catch one trade on their phone or anything like that. You don't need to be a professional. The goal of this presentation is to show you how to make money with Forex the easy way, which is by automating your trades and growing your account by at least 80% in 4 weeks or less. So when I even say 80%, I am being humble. When it comes to the Forex market, anything is possible. I promise you that anything is possible. And with the system I'm going to be showing you, it is about to go crazy. I hope you are following me. It is about to go crazy. So I don't want to make this presentation start seeming unrealistic. So I'm going to just leave it at this. Are you with me? So if you stay to the end of this short masterclass, you are going to discover a powerful trading AI that has the ability to flip your account by at least 80%. So for those of you that don't understand what flipping an account means, so let's say you start trading with $250. For those of you that don't understand what flipping means, you've never traded before. Let's say you are trading with $250. So you flipping an account by 80% means that you made a profit of $160. Let me make this even easier. Let's say you are trading with $100. If at the end of the month you end your account with $180, that means that you flip the account by 80%. That means you have 80% profit. So flipping an account by eight, that is essentially what flipping an account by 80% means. So you can do that with this system that I am going to be showing you. You are going to discover the type of trading AI that has this ability. Are you with me? So I'm also going to be showing you how to get a broker account. That is a Forex broker account with very low spreads that would also give you at least 30% trading power. So for those of you that don't know what low spreads is, don't worry, I will explain it as time goes on. And 30% trading power means that let's say you are trading with $1,000. This broker is going to assist you with $300. That's 30% of $1,000. $300 to power up your trading. This is not money you can just withdraw. Are you with me? This is not money you can withdraw. It is money to power up your trading. So you also discover how to automate your trading 100%. For those of you that have jobs, you have businesses, you have children you are taking care of, I'm going to show you how to automate your trading with this AI 100%. So if you follow this short presentation to the end, I can almost guarantee that you will start getting results like the ones you are going to see in the next slide whenever you trade. So if you look at this screenshot on your right hand side, if you can see this red these were the trades that were taken for that day, and it amounted to over $161 profit. So this on the right hand side is a live account. And on the left hand side, this is a demo account. However, we used the same the same strategy, the same AI strategy that we use on this account to trade this account. So before we trade on a live account that has real money, we usually test run it on a demo account. Are you with me? So that is when we are now going to shift it to the real account, and we're able to make $161 in profit in a single day. So here's another AI user of ours. This is Margaret. Her name is Margaret. She has been a user of ours for a while now. This is over $222 in profit. If you look at the bottom right here, the bottom right hand corner, that's $222. And this is another demo account that we tested this strategy on. So here are more results like this. So if it is about showing you results, we are going to sleep here. We are going to sleep here. So I'm not going to take most of your time with doing just that. So before we get into the important part of this presentation, I would like to sound a note of warning. I would like to sound a note of warning because I know a lot of people came here with different intention in mind. A lot of people came here with different things, different mentality. So I need to set things out straight. Upgrade FX is not an investment platform. This is not the type of platform where we tell you that, oh, okay, bring $1,000 and at the end of the month we'll be giving you 30%. We don't do that. Any money you are going to make is going to be made from the forex, what are you calling it? From the forex market. Any money you are going to make is from the forex market, not from us. We are not the ones collecting your money to trade for you. We are not the ones telling you, we are not the ones that are going to give you money. You are going to be making the money from the forex market. Are you with me? So we don't take money from people and promise to return a certain percentage at the end of every month. And you also need to understand that this platform is not a referral platform. We do not tell you to go and bring two people. We don't tell you you must bring somebody before you can make money. No, forex is not that way. Are you with me? So let us get started and enter the nitty-gritty of why we are here. So why does trading get sour? Why does trading get sour? There are a lot of people that they've tried trading before, they have deposited money, and at the end of the day, they have nothing to show for it. Some of them deposit today, by night, they cannot see anything again. So why does trading get sour? Why is it that a lot of people are getting it wrong? So I'm going to be talking about why trading gets sour and how to make it better. So in this topic, I'm going to be highlighting different points. So I'm going to be talking about how not to trade, how to trade, and when not to trade, and also conditions in which to trade. Are you following me? How not to trade, how to trade, when not to trade, and conditions in which to trade. And I call these two the upgrade FX method. These are the two upgrade FX method. These ones are just universal knowledge for you to know in order for you to have a better trading career. Are you with me? So I'm going to be starting with how not to trade. So how not to trade, placing trades with amount that your account size cannot handle. Placing trades with amount that your account size cannot handle. There are a lot of you traders. For those of you that have traded before, or those of you that have never traded before, there are some of you that you have already seen all these guys driving Lamborghini on Instagram, driving Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon on maybe YouTube or wherever you watch all these guys. You've seen them flexing a lot of money and you want to be like them. So you come into Forex with the wrong mindset. There are a lot of you that come, you deposit $100 into your trading account, and at the end of the week, you are expecting $1,000. If you are in this type of boat, I want you to understand that you are gambling. It is straight up gambling. There's nothing like trading in that particular method or system that you are trying to use. Are you with me? So I understand that most traders do this out of greed, trying to make all the money at once. And it is also an inability to delay instant gratification. I want you to understand something. A gambler's mentality is to try and make all the money right now. But you as a trader, if you have a system, let's say you tell yourself that, okay, this is my $100, this is my $250. I'm going to risk only 10% on every single trade. So even if you trade 5 times and those 5 times don't go right, you are only going to lose $50. And you still have another $50 to be able to use it to recover and even make more. But if you go like a gambler and you just throw everything inside fire like that, you will have to keep on taking out of your savings, having to refund your account having to always deposit. Are you with me? So you need to understand that no capital means no more trading. As soon as you run out of capital, you won't be able to trade anymore. You have to go and start looking for money again to be depositing into your trading account, into your broker account. Are you with me? So I want to show you a live example of what I just spoke about. So here is Matthew. Matthew is one of our users. So when Matthew first joined us a long time ago, I just said, okay, let me follow up with this guy to see how he's doing. And mind you, before now, as in around this time, our AI wasn't 100% automated. With that time, we still had a lot of traders, in-house traders, a lot of agents. That's when the AI should give a signal, then the agent is going to spread it for all our users. So that's how we used to do it back then. So when I followed up with him, I said, how's the trading experience been like for you? He said, honestly, I blew my account. I was very, very surprised because things have been going well for other people. And I asked him, what signals were you following? He said, I used the signal sent by the agent. Then this is what he told me. He said the agent told him that the US dollar was having great strength against other peers. So I decided to overdo it. Are you seeing it? I decided to overdo it due to too much profit. He was making a lot of money. Then he wanted to make more. He said, I went for higher stake, which I slept up at night, risking my account the next day. Can you imagine this? Imagine you risking your account and you went to go and sleep. You are doing something you're not supposed to do and you went to go and sleep. Imagine somebody going to go and rob a bank and he sleeps at the bank and he sleeps at the bank. So that is what I was trying to tell him, that the market is very volatile and you should not let greed get the best of you. Are you with me? So here is another example. So this is Mr. Kingsley. He's also another user of ours. Mr. Kingsley works in a very big bank. He's one of the top guys in one of the big banks in Nigeria. So he just told me one day, I lost hugely. I was like, why? Are you for real? He said, but yes, it is my fault. I was very greedy. I use high lot size. For those of you that have never traded before, you don't know what lot size is. Lot size is you basically is like the measurement of your fund that you want to use to trade. And me knowing that he's a very busy person, and I said you went to attend to customers as well. He said yes, he had irate customers because there are some type of customers that you receive, you have to attend to them. So he attended to them and he left his account unattended to and he lost a lot of money. Are you with me? So this is one of the main reasons why we try to make sure that this AI is automated for people that have jobs, for people that have businesses, for people that have things that they're doing that they cannot really dedicate time to this thing. Are you following me? That is why we try to make it 100% automated. There are a lot of people that are single mothers that maybe they have children they are taking care of, whatever it is. You have things that you cannot take your eyes away from. Are you following me? So it is that simple. So don't be like Matthew, don't be like Kingsley. Just try and follow, no matter how much you're making, just try and follow up your system. So please stop doing this. Just stop being greedy. So yeah, I'm going to now move to the right way to trade. And the right way to trade is literally the opposite of the wrong way to trade. Imagine it is just opposite. I promise you that. So trading the right way is to trade with a sensible enough percentage suitable for your account size. So trading with a sensible enough percentage suitable for your account size, placing trades with amounts you are comfortable with losing. There are a lot of people that it's still the same thing. You withdraw money from your bank account, money that you are scared of that you know that if you lose it, you might drink Gary for the next 4 days. You go and use it to trade. So I don't like doing that. So sticking to a particular method or system of trading so that you understand it like the back of your hand. We are going to be introducing you to the system that our AI uses in trading. So it's better you stick to one system of trading so that you're going to understand it. It's not like you see another one, you go and jump on it. No, we don't do that. And you need to be somehow financially stable so that you do not become tense or desperate when you are trading. Look, trading is not for people that are always looking for urgent 2K. If you are the type of person that you are always looking for urgent 2K, looking for something to eat, you should not even be trading Forex at all. Are you following me? Because if you are doing that, you'll be the type of person that you'll be monitoring your trades 24/7 because you know that, oh, if I lose this money, that If I lose this money, I might never have money in my life. Do you understand? So that is the reason why I don't like people that are not to some extent financially stable to trade the forex market. So that is the right way to trade, in my opinion, anyways. So the upgrade FX method, let me introduce you to the upgrade FX method. The upgrade FX method consists of three different pillars. The upgrade FX method consists of three different pillars, and the first one is automating trades with AI. Automating your trades with AI, then switching off the AI at key times of the week. Switching off the AI at key times of the week when there is high impact news. For those of you that have never traded before and you don't know what high impact news is. So a high impact news is news of a particular economy, and when it is released, it can make the currency go volatile. Just imagine if Donald Trump should make a speech now. Donald Trump makes a speech, or they release a news about the amount of jobs that have been created, the amount of US dollar that has been in circulation. Once they release those type of news, it usually causes volatility in the market. So there are days in which those type of news are being announced, and we have an economic calendar that we follow. So on those type of days, we are just going to switch off the AI. Are you with me? So switching off the AI at key times of the week and being accountable. I just spoke about how you could be accountable, how not to trade and how to trade, and being accountable. So for those of you that still don't understand what high impact news is, let me show you how our AI works. So if you look at this chart, don't worry, as I told you, I'm not going to show you anything technical. So don't be scared that I'm showing you any chart. So if you notice this particular these candles are on a downtrend. Are you seeing it? They are on a downtrend. If you notice this very, very well, one thing you are not going to notice is that this downtrend, it follows a particular pattern. See, look at these two blue lines that are drawn. It follows a particular pattern. So what our AI does essentially is that it might open a position here and it will come and close it here. It might open another one here and come and close it here. So it follows this pattern. That is how the AI works. Are you with me? So there are going to be days where, like I told you, there are days where some type of news are being released and it will make the market very, 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 very volatile. So those type of days is when the ranging market is going to destabilize. If you look at this, what are they calling it? If you look at this candle very well, if you look at this pattern, you are going to notice that there's a candlestick that fell out of the range. It fell out of this downtrend. It fell out of this downtrend. Are you seeing it? So this particular day, there was what are they calling it? There was there was a high impact news. So what we just need to do is to just switch off the AI on days like this. If you look again, if you look at this place as well. Are you seeing this? Look at this place. You're going to notice a very, very massive spike in the market. This volatility, very, very massive. And as it ended, it went back to its normal scheduled program. Are you seeing this? So on days like this are the days that we switch off the AI. Let me show you more example. Look at this. Are you seeing this? Look at the markets. Look at the market. Look at the market. Look at the markets. Then before you know it, boom. Are you seeing it? It went up. The reason why this went up was because there was a particular news that was released. There was a particular news that was released. So as you can see, after the news, the market continued going in a normal direction. Look at this as well. The same thing. Are you seeing this? So a news was announced, like on this day now, I believe it was NFP. So on something like this now, are you seeing it? Boom. So on days like this, we switch it off, then we switch it back on when the market has gone back to normal. It is that simple. So our 5-star Forex trading AI gets us results like the ones that you are going to be seeing in the next slide. Let me show you the type of results we get. So here is God's Power. God's Power is one of our users. So when God's Power approached us, he had an account of about $200, or in fact, maybe a bit shy of $200. I believe, give or take. So when he gave us this account, he gave us his login details as well. So I sent it to one of our agents. And as I told you, as at that time, we used to have agents that would trade with the signals that the AI was giving us. So that was before we automated it. Are you with me? So as you can see, when he gave us this account, we're able to make a quick $27 on the account. Are you seeing it? He gave it to us around that $200 mark. Are you me? So I just sent him a message the following day. I said, go and check your MetaTrader 4 account. And when he checked it, he was very, very amazed. He was like, and I've been sleeping on $202 since. Okay, yes, it was $202 he said he gave us when he gave us the account. So I instructed him not to touch anything, that the agent was doing some settings with the AI as to take his account to over $1,000. So look at him here saying, me touch anything, God forbid, let him carry on. No. So here are updates. So as time went on, he was able to add an additional $400 profit. This is not the whole balance. So this is profit. So here is the whole balance, over $602 in profit. Sorry, in his entire account. So this was profit, and with the $202, this was what was left. So he was just telling us that this thing looks like magic in his eyes. So here's another person. Here's Michael. Michael also came with about 200 and something dollars as well. Are you me? Well, he also came with about, so he was like, he sent his login details. I had to blur it out because, security reasons. So our first set of trade, we had about $54 in profit. Are you seeing this? And I told him that, okay, the agent is doing some settings, and he said, oh, let him do what is necessary. So just a follow-up, he was able to take that account to over $596. And look at him, look at Michael here saying these traits are lovely. That is what I want for each and every one of you on this presentation. However, we are not using agents again because the AI is now automated. So here's Festus as well. Festus was able to make over $275. The reason Festus was able to do this in a very short time was because the amount he deposited was more than all these $200 the other people were depositing. He deposited a very significant amount, so we were able to fine tune the AI so that it could take more risk. So here is it, and this is how things are. So with a success rate as high as 80%, the AI trades only when the analysis are great. Are you following? If they are not trades that the AI believes are good enough, it will rather not place any trades that time period. It will rather have a high chance of winning trades than compromising your account because we have programmed it that way. Being profitable is what matters. There are a lot of our users that will be like, this thing did not trade yesterday. Why didn't it? Bros, it is not about trading every day. Will the trade have resulted to profits? If not, please, it's not by force to trade every day. Are you with me? So the formula to our winning strategy is AI trading, then switching off the AI at key days on a weekly basis, switching off the AI at key days on a weekly basis, and being accountable. If you can combine this thing, there's a very big chance that you are going to make a ton of money. If you are accountable to yourself and you are following a good system, you can make a ton of money in the forex market. Are you with me? And that is why we have designed a particular system. I call this the compounding system. So for those of you that don't understand what compounding is, maybe you do not do economics, or I know there's a lot of economic students that are going to understand what compounding is. They know the law of compounding. So compounding in trading, for those of you that don't understand it, compounding in trading means using all the funds that you made in the previous month to trade the following month and the next. Let me just break that down for you. Let's say that you deposited $100 into your trading account. Are you with me? And at the end of the month, you make $80 in profit. That is $180 altogether. That is your initial capital and your profit, $180. So you compounding means that you use that whole $180 to trade the following months. If you should withdraw your $80, that is not compounding. That is you just eating it's like you are eating your salary. Are you with me? So you compounding means using the whole money to now trade again. Are you following me? So that is what compounding means. So, like I said, so let's do some calculation. Do you know what is going to happen if you were to use $200 and you compound it at 80% every month for 6 months straight? Let me show you something. Let me just show you. Do you know what is going to happen if you were to, let's say you have a $200 capital, and if you compound it at 80% monthly, let's say you are making 80% every month, do you know how much you can make every single month? Look, I want to explain something. I want to give you this caveat. It is not, the forex market is dynamic in nature. You can never know that, oh, it's 80% I'll make this month. You can never know, oh, it's 50%. It is not possible. The forex market hardly repeats itself. Are you with me? It hardly repeats itself. So there will be months that you even make 20% or 10% safe or lesser. And there will be months that you make like 120%. Are you following me? But I'm just giving you this average so that you can understand what I am trying to teach you. I am giving you this average so that you can understand what I am trying to teach you. So let's say that in the first month, you trade with $200 and you made 100, sorry, you made 80% back. That means that you made $160. Please don't be confused. That means you make $160. So that if you calculate the $160 profit with your initial capital of $200, that is $360 that you have in your trading account. Let me explain that again. If you make 80% of $200, that is $160. $160 plus 200 is what is giving you $360. Yeah, please don't be confused. So if you compound it, it means that you use this whole $360 to trade again. There are some people that they will just withdraw their $160 because they want to go and chill with their friends. Are you with me? So let's say in the second month, you take that $360 and you compound it again at 80%, $648. In the third month, this is what you get. In the fourth month, this is what you get. Fifth month, as high as $3,779. That is the power of compounding, of compounding your assets. Are you with me? In the 6 month, this is what you have. If you say you want to do it for 10 months, this is how far it can get. You can do your own calculation after this presentation. It's as easy as that. You can do your own calculation. Are you with me? So that is the power of compounding. This is literally what most of these banks do. All these banks that you are going to go and save your money, you are putting your 100K, you are saving your 1 million naira. This is what they are using to, this is what they are doing. Do you know how banks make money? For those of you that don't know, some of you might be thinking that it's the 100 naira recharge card that you are using you are using your bank to buy. Sorry, you are using your bank app to buy the 100 naira recharge card, or you are thinking that it is the 2020 naira that they are removing from your account every single month. That is not how all these banks make their money. Are you following me? Banks use your money, they lend out your money to people that want to do business, and secondly, they use it to trade forex. So they are going to trade forex with your money, compound, 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 and keep on making money. Why do you think all these banks have like two branches in almost every street in Lagos? In fact, in Nigeria, they have branches every single way. What bank are you using? Is it GT Bank? Is it UBA? Is it Access? You are going to notice they have banks everywhere. You might think it's the 2020 naira that they are making. That's not how they are making money. They trade forex with the money that you keep in your bank account. So, and I want you to understand that with this system, you can withdraw your money at any time. So this is not something that, oh, you must lock in for 3 months. No, no, no. It is your own decision. You can withdraw your money at any given time. So are you seeing the pattern? I say that trading forex sporadically isn't the best strategy at all. Your chances of being a millionaire with forex trading is very low when you trade anyhow you see fit and not having a good system in place. So I need you to note something. I can't assure you will never lose any trade because no AI, no bot, or any human is perfect. But I can tell you that winning is better than losing. I can assure you that you win more than you lose if you stick with the upgrade FX method. And that is what makes this system work. So you follow the upgrade FX method, you are more likely to be triumphant with Forex trading. So the upgrade FX method can be used both by newbies and by Forex veterans. So it doesn't matter if you have never placed a single trade in your life. It doesn't matter if the only experience you have with trading is from watching others trade. It doesn't matter if you have been trading and you have lost your money to the extent that Some of you might even think you are not just born lucky. There are some people that you think that, oh, and they put my money, now in the money they born. Are you with me? So if you have that mentality, I promise, just come and use this our system and see for yourself. It doesn't matter if you've been trading and you've been winning, you can add this to your strategy as well. So for those of you that maybe you're already trading and you already maybe you trade manually or however, you can also add this to your system. Maybe you create a separate account and you trade with our AI. So for those of you that have been waiting for the AI solution, I want you to type yes in the comment section if you are ready to see the AI solution. I want you to type yes in the comment section. I want you to type yes in the comment section. Awesome. 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 All right. That's great. All right. Let's continue because of time. Let's continue because of time. So I want to introduce you to the AI solution. So this AI that I'm going to be introducing to you today has been backtested rigorously. It has been backtested rigorously. Are you with me? So this system will get rid of any form of greed, any form of human emotion, and any form of gambling mentality and lack of skill that might be holding you back from making money in the forex space. Any form of greed, any form of human emotion, gambling mentality, and lack of skill that has been holding you back in making money in this industry. So I want to introduce to you the Swift Gain Automated Scalper AI. I want to introduce to you the Swift Gain Automated Scalper AI. So this is an AI in which big data was collated, it was collected and was put into a machine learning algorithm and was used to create the Swift Gain Automated Scalper. So big data was collated, it was collected, and it was put in a machine learning algorithm in order to create the Swift Gain Automated Scalper AI. So the first version of the Swift Gain Scalper, I'm just giving you a little bit of history. The first version of the Swift Gain Scalper was created to help traders pass their trading challenges and help them get funded within 2 hours. I know some of you would have heard of prop firm. So this AI was able to pass challenges within 2 hours and help traders get funded. And this AI was able to get it done with 100% pass rate. Are you with me? The only problem now was that it only used to work with prop firm accounts of $15,000 and upwards. There's no, as in, I'm not going to say there's no normal trader, but the amount of Nigerian traders that we have don't have up to $15,000 except they are using prop firm. So that is why we got to work and we created a version that is strictly for smaller accounts and we have had tremendous results with it. We created a version that is strictly for smaller accounts and we have had tremendous results with it. So some of you in the comment section or wherever you'll be in your mind, you'll be asking that, if this guy was making so much money, why would he be sharing this AI? If I could already make money with this AI, why would he be trying to share it with us? So I want you to explain, I want you to understand something. The Forex market is very, very huge. And over $6.6 trillion is traded daily on every single day. So this means that you profiting off of our hard work doesn't stop us from profiting as well. So this is not school exam. This is not WAEC. This is not NECO. This is not IELTS. This is not JAMB that if you go and copy somebody and your teacher should find out, they are going to minus your score or maybe they'll even fail you. When it comes to trading Forex, you copying someone doesn't matter. As far as you are making money, continue copying the person. Nobody will come and hold you in your house. So it is that easy. You profiting from us doesn't stop us from profiting as well. Are you with me? So some of you will be asking, how do I get started with the Swift Gain Scalper today? So in order to get started today, you have two options. You have two options. And for the love of God, ensure you listen to both options. It is very, very important you listen to both options. It is very, very important because it is at this point that you see that some people's network will start spoiling. some people's network will start vibrating and all. So just try your best to listen to both options. It's not that you listen to option one and you'll be like, oh, what is this? I don't want this, Jare. Listen to both options is very, very important. So in the first option on how to get started, this option one is for those of you that do not want to use the broker we work with. Like I told you in the beginning of this presentation, I'll be introducing you to a broker that will give you 30% power bonus, trading bonus for you to trade with. So for those of you that do not want to use that broker, this option is for you. This is for those of you that you think that, oh, maybe you already know what you are doing. All you just need is the AI. So you can outrightly buy the AI and use it with your own broker. You can outrightly buy the AI and use it with your own broker. But the thing with this option is that you won't get continuous support from us. You will not, we are not going to install the AI for you. Yes, we will give you instructions. This one is just buy and go. We'll give you instructions on how to install the AI. We'll give you instructions on how to set it up by yourself on your own VPS, on your own server, because we believe you're an expert. You are only going to be getting an update of the AI anytime there is a new version. Are you with me? So in order to get this option, we call this the expert option, and it's going to cost you $350 in order to buy the AI outrightly. It's going to cost you just $350. So for those of you that you don't like this option, I want you to listen to option two. So the option two, I call it the ambassadorial broker option. I call this the ambassadorial broker option. So I have made special arrangements. We have made special arrangement with a broker for each and every one of you to be able to get trading accounts with low spreads. So I said it earlier that I'll tell you what low spreads literally mean, that when you are trading with the broker, the percentage the broker is supposed to be getting, it is very, very low. That means you'll be able to keep as much as 99% of all your trading profits with this particular broker that I'm going to be introducing you to. So the name of this broker is Axie. The name of this broker is Axie, AXI. So if you watch football, if you watch Man City, Man U, or if you watch the Premier League, you should have seen their banner. Even if you are not noticing, don't worry, maybe the next time you watch football, you might notice them, or you can check Google for them. So they sponsor this team called Man City. And if you know Man City, they are a very, very big club. They're not a small club. So for a company to be sponsoring this Man City that is worth billions of United States dollars, for a company to be sponsoring them, you should know that that company has to be very, very big. So let me give you a quick backstory about Axie. Axie used to be a bank in, I believe, in the 1900s or 1950 something. They used to be a very, very big bank before they now started doing, they started doing like hedge fund trading where they only trade for maybe big companies, or they trade for um people that have $25 million and above and things like that. So they now said, okay, why don't we do something since we are big enough? Why don't we just help the retail traders, those that have smaller capital? That is when they named themselves Axie. In fact, their name was not even originally Axie, but they've now named themselves Axie. Are you with me? So Axie has been in existence. That is just for the traders, sorry, just the retail traders, the broker rather. They have been in existence for more than 17 years, since 2007. And this is a broker that they have very tight spreads, meaning that they charge you so little on your trading activities so that you get to keep 99% of what you earn. Just like I said earlier, the reason they can do this is because they are already big and they have a lot of customers. So they have account managers that will ensure that you get all the help that you need. And they also have fast deposit and withdrawal methods. So you can deposit with Naira and withdraw with Naira. So you don't have to be looking for a bookie to change your Naira to no. You can deposit with crypto, you can withdraw with crypto and things like that. So they also have easy verification method. Any of your government issued ID is accepted, and it is also suitable for beginners and professionals. So if you want to sign up with Axie, ensure you use this link. It is when you use this link, the broker is going to know that you are coming from us, so that they'll be able to give you the bonuses, the discounts, and everything that you need to succeed in this business. So if you cannot copy this down, send us a message on WhatsApp. Send me a message. I am the admin on the WhatsApp group. Or if you're on the Telegram group, send me a message. I'm the admin on the Telegram group as well. Please do not send message to anybody that is not the admin. And I will not message you first. I don't message people first. So ensure that you are sending message to the admin. Ensure you see the admin badge on my account in the group. So yeah, so, and also AI trading is accepted by Axie. So, what is this ambassadorial option going to get you? So, you are going to have access to the Swift Gain Scalper at a cheaper rate. You are going to have access to the Swift Gain Scalper for a $200 one-time lifetime payment. So, instead of you paying $350 to get this AI, and in which you are not even going to get so much support from us, if you are going to be using our ambassadorial option, using the broker that we just introduced to you, we are going to be selling this AI to you for just $200. Don't forget, this is from Upgrade FX and not from Axie. The AI is from Upgrade FX and not from Axie. Are you with me? So, for people that want to use the broker we work with, you can outrightly buy the AI and use it with our broker. Upgrade FX is different from Axie. Axie is a broker. Upgrade FX is a company that is offering this trading solution to you. So you are also going to get continuous support from us. That is we Upgrade FX, and we will install the AI on. We can install the AI on your own VPS for you for free. So if you don't have a VPS, don't worry. We are going to put it on our VPS. So a VPS is literally a server that is always online. The reason why we use a server and we don't install the AI on the computer is because a server is online 24/7. If you use a computer, the computer can die, maybe the battery or the network will go away. So you don't need to worry yourself about VPS. We can do all these things for you. And you will also get an update of the AI when there is a new version. And there's a Telegram channel for our users. So another thing you're going to get from this ambassadorial option is that you're going to be getting a whooping 30% deposit bonus from Axie Broker. You're going to be getting a 30% deposit bonus from Axie Broker to power up your trading. This is not a bonus that you can just withdraw like that. If you deposit $1,000, they are going to add $300. It's just like that. You deposit $200, they will give you 30% so that you can power up your trading account. So yes, I believe I've explained this already. So another advantage of joining through the option 2, which is the ambassadorial broker option, is you are going to get access to our premium forex course for free. You will get access to our premium forex course for free, where you are going to learn the A to Z of how to scan and analyze the market for yourself, meaning that you are going to have the chance to earn and learn. You are going to be able to learn why you earn with our AI. So just like I told you, the same strategies that our AI uses, you are going to be learning it in this course. So if you join with the option 2, you are going to be getting free installation of the Swift Gain Scalper AI. You're going to be getting free setup from us. You are also going to be getting instructions on how to use the Swift Gain Scalper if you want to play with it. So there are some of you that maybe you want to also know how to set up something like this. We are going to teach you how to do that as well. So with Axie Broker, you can withdraw your funds anytime. You can withdraw your funds any given time. Are you with me? So, secondly, you need to deposit a minimum of $150 into your Axie trading account. So, in order to be able to trade with the AI, we recommend that you deposit a minimum of $150 into your Axie trading account after you have already signed up through our link. So, like I said, a minimum of $150. And you need to understand that this money 100% belongs to you. It 100% belongs to you. So the reason why we recommend $150 is that it accommodates our AI strategy appropriately. So there are some people that will there's some people that will be coming and be saying, oh, I know people that used to use $10 to trade. I know people that used to use $25 to trade. Now, why can't we? No, 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 no. The reason why those people are still not successful is because of the amount that they are using. So our AI accommodates this, sorry, this particular amounts, accommodate our AI strategy appropriately so that you don't just get your account blown prematurely. Are you with me? So, and another advantage is that you do not need to compound for too long for your profit and your withdrawals to look tangible and sensible. Imagine you are trying to compound $10. Even if you are making 100% on $10, that is $20. How long before you get to $1,000? So it is not even going to make a lot of sense if you want to be trading with very, very low amounts. So you shouldn't be afraid because life is a risk. Life in itself is a risk. So you win by taking calculated risk, and this system is calculated risk. So just like any other business, you need money to make money. For those of you that want to ask questions, you can ask me question on WhatsApp. Can ask me what question on WhatsApp, and I am going to gladly answer you. So you need money to make money with Forex, just like every other business opportunity out there. There are some of you that will be saying, oh, why will I do this? No, no, no. See, even if you want to start selling shoe today, even if you want to start selling shoe today, you have to buy the shoes that you want to sell. You have to get shop. You have to, even if you make the shoes yourself, you have to still buy leather. So you need money to make money in any type of business. So I'm going to be recapping everything that I spoke about. So in order to get the Swift Gain AI for the ambassadorial option, in order to get the Swift Gain AI, which is you are going to get it for a $200 lifetime payment, you only have to pay this once. It is not a monthly payment. Are you with me? And you are going to own the AI. Once you make this payment, you are going to own the AI. It is not going to be like you have to pay monthly. You can own it and you can use it with multiple accounts. You can share it with your friends. You can even resell it. It's as good as that. Are you with me? So once you do this, you are going to get a golden deposit bonus of 30% from Axie. And no, sorry. When you deposit with Axie, you are going to get a 30% golden deposit bonus, and you are going to get access to our Forex Masters program. Are you following me? So here is another user of ours. This is Louis, and he sent me a message and he said, oh, he was able to double his accounts in a day. And he said he's going to continue tomorrow. So this is the type of users that I like. They know when to stop. They know when to trade. They know when to take their profits and go again the following day. So can you see, he said we continue tomorrow. He said last, no be my papa gets the market. So these are the type of users that we like seeing. And yeah, so with the upgrade FX system, your chances of amassing wealth with Forex trading is higher with our system. Your chances of amassing wealth with Forex trading is higher. This is income that you do not need to struggle for. This is income that you don't have to go and carry pure water on your head, and this is income you don't have to struggle for. Are you with me? This is income that you do not need to leave your house for. There's some of you that maybe you have businesses or you have something else you are doing. You don't need to leave your house or leave your office to go and trade Forex somewhere else. Are you with me? This is income that is not affected by the economy. The price of fuel is not going to affect it. The price of Gary is not going to affect your trading. So this is also income that can give you the leverage to do other things that you've been wishing to do. So what are you waiting for? This offer ends in 3 days' time. If you are not able to get in 3 days' time, there's a reason why I try to minimize the amount of days so that I can know the amount of people that I am going to be working with. I can know the amount of people that are serious enough to get into this program, and so that I can put all my efforts in them. So if you don't get in within 3 days' time, I'm going to be scraping away all the bonuses for the ambassadorial option. I'm going to be scraping it away. So I will have to increase the price of the Swift Gain Scalper to $300. You will also not get the link to be able to get the 30% bonus. You will also not get access to the Forex Masters program. You will also not get access to the Forex Masters program. This is why I have to put a time label on it. For those of you that are serious about it, these are the things you are going to be getting, and you are going to be getting them. And for those of you that can't, you are not going to be getting them. Are you with me? So I have to limit the amount of people that we are letting into the program. So this is the type of program that can make your dream a reality. Are you thinking of buying a better car, or maybe even your first car, or maybe let's just say a better car that you want to carry your family members in, or you want your family members to see and let them be proud of you? Are you thinking of buying or building a house? Are you planning on taking better care of your family? You want to move out of where you are and you don't really like the place, you want to get married, whatever. Or you just want to simply beat inflation. You know that things are getting much more expensive and you want to beat inflation. This is the opportunity for you. So I want you to think about this. What will an extra 2 to 8 million naira do for you this year? I'm not going to say this month, though. I'm not going to say in the next 3 months. What will an extra 2 to 8 million naira do for you just this year? So this is the period about safeguarding yourself. The economy is in a hole, and safeguarding yourself with multiple streams of income is what you need right now. It's not just about going to your job, or doing your business. If you can be able to get money from different sources, I promise you are going to love it. So, like I said earlier, this offer ends in 3 days' time. Like I said earlier, it ends in 3 days' time, and we only take in 15 people monthly. Like I said earlier, the reason why we do this is to be able to limit the amount of people we have in the program. Reason being that we might not be able to concentrate on everybody. So we want to be able to get people in so that we can be able to concentrate on you and give you the proper attention that you need. Are you with me? So that is why we cannot get everybody in. So we have come to the end of the presentation. Thank you for being a part. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you on the other side. So if you have